Hello everyone, today we will see nice algebra problem. Under root 11 plus under root 11 plus under root 11 divided by under root 33 is equal to 27 raised to the power x. Find the value of x if you are GTS. So let's start the solution. Under root 11 plus under root 11 plus under root 11 divided by under root 33 equal to 27 raised to the power x. Now solve this. Under root 11 plus under root 11 plus under root 11, we get here 3 times under root 11 divided by 33. We can write under root 3 into 11 equal to 27 raised to the power x. Now 3 under root 11, we can separate this. Under root 3 into under root 11. Here we can write under root a into b is equal to under root a into under root b. Now here under root 11 will be cancelled. So here remains 3 under root 13. Here equal to 27 raised to the power x. Here also 27 raised to the power x. Implies that here how we can write 3 equal to under root 3 into under root 3. So we can write here under root 3 into under root 3 divided by under root 3. How we can write 27x? 3 into 3 into 3 raised to the power x. Under root 3 will be cancelled. Here remain under root 3 equal to 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power x. Here we can use the formula a raised to the power m raised to the power n equal to a raised to the power m into n. Now we can use here under root 3 equal to 3 raised to the power 3x. Now here we can write root a equal to a raised to the power 1 by 2. So here we can apply this identity. Root 3 raised to the power 1 by 2 equal to 3 raised to the power 3x. Now here comparing bases and powers. Now here if a raised to the power m equal to a raised to the power n, then m is equal to n. Now here comparing bases and powers, a raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power n. Then if bases are equal, then their powers are also equal. M is equal to n. Now 3 raised to the power 1 by 2 equal to 3 raised to the power 3x. So we can write here 1 by 2 equal to 3x. Implies that 3x equal to 1 by 2. Now divide both sides. Now divide both sides by 1 by 3. 3x into 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So we get here 3 cancel, x equal to 1 multiply 1 is 1, 2 multiply 3 is 6. So x equal to 1 by 6. Now let's verify. Under root 11 plus under root 11 plus under root 11 divided by under root 33 equal to 27 raised to the power x. Now under root 11 plus under root 11 3 times, so do the addition. 3 under root 11 divided by, here we can write 33 under root 3 into under root 11 equal to 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power x. Here a raised to the power m raised to the power n equal to a raised to the power m into n. Now under root 11 cancel. Now we can verify 3 by under root 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power 3x. Now 3 we can write here 3 equal to under root 3 into under root 3, that is under root 3 whole square. Square root remove, so we get this 3. Okay, so here under root 3 into under root 3 divided by under root 3 equal to 3 raised to the power 3x. X equal to, we will put here 1 by 6. Value of x is equal to 1 by 6, so we will put here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So here under root 3 will be cancelled. Now under root 3 equal to 3 raised to the power 1 by 2, 3 raised to the power 1 by 2. Now here 3 raised to the power under root 3 is equal to 1 by 2, we can write 3 raised to the power 1 by 2. Here under root a is equal to a raised to the power 1 by 2. Hence we can say that here LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Let's recap. Thank you for watching the whole video. Hence verified. If you like the video, share with your friends, like, share and subscribe the channel if you like the video.